Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Baking with Brooklyn, this time with Amelia Edens.
Hey everyone.
We're making birthday cupcakes for our moms, and we're making lemon cupcakes. Okay, let's get started.
With lemon cream cheese frosting.
Yes.
First, what is this?
Cake flour, baking powder, and salt.
I'm good at that.
Okay.
Ooh, that does not smell good. Okay, let's reverse that. Can I use
There's
this?
a reason.
Ah! This looks like sugar to me. Okay, fun fact. When I was like 9, I took baking classes at Joann's with old ladies. But then I quit because they were really boring. And I didn't have the patience to decorate. She said put the sugar in it. All of it?
Okay.
Okay.
Butter. Now cream it. So mix it with the whisk. Yeah.
Do I have to like...
Yeah. It's gonna be kind of. It's like cream corn.
It's stuck. Oh, I hate this.
Yes.
Woo! Here.
Now we can add cake flour.
Cake flour. Here. Back to the cake flour.
Baking powder and salt.
Baking powder and salt.
We're just gonna give
Now we
a
mix.
rough mix. Okay, put it there.
All right. Oops. Woo! No show. Okay.
Good.
Egg cracker.
Okay. Now, pure vanilla.
Yum, yum, yum. Milk.
Just pour that in. And we have to juice our lemons.
Oh no.
Don't press, like...
I don't know how. How hard do I have to press? I don't have a good grip on the lemon.
You can't see the actual, like, inside the
Is it supposed to look like this? Is it supposed to? There it is. It looks better than it did earlier.
Okay, now that we have cupcakes, we need a cupcake liner. So, or we need a cupcake pan, and then cupcake liners. Yeah. Okay. So Amelia, just put one of those in.
All right. You want to switch spots? I chose purple because that's my favorite color.
Not your mom.
Not my mom's. Well, I think she does like purple. I think it would look good with the yellow.
Good decision. We're probably gonna end up with like 2 tablespoons in each one.
Okay.
Do you want to do it?
You can do it.
Okay.
Now we're putting them in. All right, everyone, we're back. And now I'm gonna do a taste test of the batter. Mmm. It's actually good.
To the oven.
All right, everyone, it's time to put my piping skills to the test. Yay! Here I go. Oh gosh. I just feel like I'm gonna... That'd be so funny. Pro baking tip, always start from the middle and work your way around.
Wow.
Ooh!
Holy crap.
All right, my turn. I'm scared it's gonna come.
Just keep squeezing. You can't stop.
Oh.
Squeeze.
But it's slipping. Good. Oh, that's cute.
cupcake.
Ooh, I'm making 2. Okay.
This cupcake. And here's my cupcake. Okay, yeah. Keep going. Almost there. Almost. Yeah, no, just finish it. Just, yeah. Good.
That's good.
It's like Papa's cupcakery.
Okay, I'm gonna do one with a little less frosting now that I know.
Yeah, do one of like these ones.
Okay.
The rosette. So start in the middle. Middle. And then just do one big wrap around.
Oh, I messed up. Oh, oops. Woo! I'm exploding. Yummy! Thank you for joining us today on our Baking with Brooklyn and Amelia. We hope you enjoyed.